Welcome to this exceptional listing presented by Lauderdale Beach Properties. Your home search is over. This two-story home has a roof installed 6/2017, Accordion hurricane shutters, updated kitchen offers granite countertop, white cabinetry, open kitchen layout featuring a snack bar seamlessly connected to the family room, great for entertaining, updated master bath, spacious rooms and closets throughout, two-car garage, screen porch and fenced backyard offer great privacy. Located in the wonderful city of Coconut Creek within a gated community with 24-hour man security. Great amenities, swimming pool, indoor and outdoor spa, sauna, tennis courts, basketball court, playground and fitness center. Childcare/school is also available inside the community. Across the street from Tradewinds Park. HOA fees include cable/internet. Schedule a tour to this property